Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101, and today I have another order from eStarCase. I'm super excited to share this with you as their stickers are to die for. As you guys have seen probably a lot of my flip throughs, and they include a lot of these stickers. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. If you want to purchase anything from eStarCase, I would really appreciate if you guys would use Kasha for your discount, which is 12%. So KASIA. And I'm going to show you guys what I purchased and what I received. So free gift as always, this layering little thing. They included a little card. This, and this is a gift. Okay. Then, so these are gifts. I'll show you those in a second. I purchased the pat tapes myself. I purchased some more of these garden books. I already have flip throughs of these. They are repeats of these. I'll do a quick flip through for you guys. These are on clear and they are gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I wanted the second one because the first one is already super heavily used. I've been using it in this journal. So I'll show you this really quick. So look how pretty. Aren't these stickers just too gorgeous? So yeah. So that's what I've been using that end. So I wanted another one of these. But I also got their new stickers. So Kitty Cafe, Rainbow Garden, Color of the Countryside, Love's Journey, Bloom of Youth, and Desert Journey. So we're going to go through all of this. Let me show you the pet tape and the gifts first. So this is the first little gift they sent me, and it's these really pretty, they're perforated cardstock, but look how cute. This has a calendar. So yeah, these are super cool, right? Have a good trip, Florida, and then one day and daily schedule. If you put some adhesive in these, they can serve as stickers. I might be using them in my little junk journal very soon. Actually, we're gonna put them in this little thing, which I got another one of. So thank you very much, eStarCase. So we'll just put these in here. See if they fit, but they should, right? There we go. Okay, I think that's actually a really great idea. There we go. And then I'll have these in here. So this is just like a layering for junk journal or scrapbooking. And then just to do this really quick. Okay. And I'm gonna open wash the pet tapes next. They are mostly of girls. I really wanted more girl pet tapes. I have so many already, but I really enjoy them. So I got a few more. Okay, so this can go in here. Look how cute this looks now. Okay. And then I got this notebook. So this is what this looks like. It's just clean pages, nothing to it. You can keep it on your desk for like little notes or by your bedside table and stuff like that. Looks like I need the box cutter once more. And then we'll open these pet tapes and I'll show you what they look like. I am super excited to share this because when I saw them on the website, they look absolutely stunning. I'm gonna use the box for the trash. So I have quite a few washi tapes with images on them, which is fun. I also have quite a few plain ones, so I think that is great. Okay, let's open this. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly open these and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. I have all of the washi types unrolled for you guys so we can go over that. And I also opened all of the sticker books from their foil, so it's gonna be much easier. So let's go through this one first. Look how beautiful it is. It really is quite gorgeous. So the only slight issue with these tapes is that they are not kiss cut, but I'll show you how I deal with that issue, and it's quite easy because these are so affordable, you guys. These are so affordable that it's actually worth for me to go through the hassle of cutting these. Okay, so this is the blue one. Look how awesome. Right? Okay. I'm just gonna roll this up. Let me show you the next one. This is the black. These girls are just gorgeous. I love having dolls in my planner, as you guys probably already know. Florals and dolls are my thing. Let's do this one next. This one I have torn slightly, but it's all good. This is what this looks like. And like, they're not super thick, but they're also not super thin. There's at least, I think, 2 repetitions of these tapes inside here. This is the green. Whoop. And then this is the, uh-oh, the underneath part is stuck. Okay, perfect. And this is the red one. These are really, really beautiful. So the way I deal with this is I have these mats also from eStarCase, you guys. I think they're a couple dollars, maybe $2 or $3 each. And I just stick these girls down like so. Let me just show you. Okay. Like so on the mat. And I either take my girl cut and just use it like a pen, like so. Or you can do the same thing with an X-Acto knife. You can do that around the cake. It's just not as smooth because the other one works like a pen. This one you're gonna have to probably lift, and I'm not the best at cutting, so that's why I use the more expensive one. Anyway, I put this away, and then I just take my tweezers. Where are they? Right here. And I just lift her up. See? And the same thing. And it lifts up so nicely because this mat is keeping the backing in place. So that's how I deal with that little issue that they're not kiss cut, because it takes literally seconds for me to do. And I'm saving so much money by not having them kiss cut. So it's okay. Okay, sticker time. These are cut. These are fully cut, and let me show you what they look like. So Desert Journey is for, oh my gosh. So I have not flipped through these. I opened the box with you guys. I saw glimpses, but I did not see this in full. Look at these. Oh my gosh, Egyptian. More Egyptian. I love the Sphinx. Look at these. Ooh. Pharaoh. Very, very different and interesting. Look at this. So cool. Okay, and this is on a washi backing. So let me show you. It's like this paper is like a washi. It does have that white sheen to it, and then when you put it, it becomes more transparent. But look at these washes. And then this is back to, so these were all on clear. Then we had washi, and now we're on paper. Look how beautiful these women pharaohs are. Look at that stand. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Wow, I love scenes of like cities and stuff in my planner too. So this is quite perfect. Sorry, I'm taking a sip of my matcha. I am on a matcha kick. Anyone else? Like on a huge matcha kick. Whoa, this book is very, very different. And then you have some florals, and then you have some boxes that correspond to those colors. So Desert Journey, very different. Bloom of Youth. Oh, okay. So we have skiing. We have kind of like school backpacks and stuff. I'm not sure. We have boxing. Very, very cool. Tennis. More boxing. Skateboarding. Baseball. Oh, I love that girl. And now we have just some young girls with coffee and some florals. Then we have cheerleading. Bicycles. That is awesome. Rock climbing. More skateboarding. Okay. So this is like a very, very active lifestyle book. I love it. I might not do any of those things. However, I am going to be using these stickers. They look so fun, and they're going to be perfect for my wellness spreads. And then you have these boxes. And then you have plain boxes. So pretty cool. Bloom of Youth. Then the next one is Love's Journey. The sticker book is equipped with 20 pages. Okay, got it. So this one is not as vibrant as their usual book. It's more of like a soft watercolor. And the people are less realistic, and they're more watercolor as well. But these scenes are gorgeous. Look at this. Ah, look at these flowers. And then you have fall and winter. Interesting. Okay. And spring, I'm assuming. Now we have some boxes. And look how pretty these images are. And then summer, maybe? Maybe more spring. And then you have lavender. So very pretty pages. Very different book from eStarCase once again. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay. Next is Colors of the Countryside. Yeah, this is more of what I'm used to. Very vivid colors. But look how beautiful these are. And look at the trees. Okay. I love this, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This countryside is so beautiful. And then you have some wreaths and quotes and stuff like that. And then these were on clear, now we're on paper. So every single one of these books is kind of a combination of clear and paper stickers. I myself a lot of times prefer the paper, so I don't have to deal with the lines in my planner. But I know that a lot of you like to layer and you love the clear stickers. Oh my gosh, look at this image or this image. I love it. And we have a horse. Look how beautiful this horsey is. Yeah, so very, very countryside. Oh my gosh, look at these. Hay bales. And then we have this one page of boxes. So I use their boxes occasionally, but not as much because, of course, Mojo Jojo exists and I have almost every sticker book she ever made. So this is Rainbow Garden. So lots of florals, I'm assuming. So we have blue, purples, darks. Oh my gosh, look how cute. These are, again, so vibrant. They're on clear so far. Always cheerful. Okay, then we have washi. And washi actual stuff. And then we have paper. Wow. Gorgeous. I love their stickers, like I said. They're florals. Just so vibrant. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at these blues. Wow. Amazing. And then we have some fall elements. And then another page of fall elements. So Rainbow Garden, very pretty. And last one is the Kitty Cafe. So I'm expecting kitties. Oh, lots of women. So cute. And dogs. Okay, we're in business here. I love it. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. Again, I don't have a cat. I'm super allergic to them, but I think they are super adorable and very, very curious. So here we go. Oh my gosh, look at that chow chow. And I think, is that a basset hound? Not sure. Frenchie? We're a pug, but I think Frenchie. That's a Frenchie. So I'm not sure what those are. That might be a Frenchie too. I'm not sure, but super cute. So these were unclear up to this point. Now we're going into the couple pages of washi. So you can see it's a lot of like cats and cafes and food and super cute. And now we're on paper. But look how cute these are. Lots of girls in this book. So if you like girls in your planner, you don't even have to use the cats if you're not a cat person. But the kitties are absolutely adorable, you guys. Okay, look at that. Isn't that adorable? And then you have these boxes as well as these boxes. And that's all I have for you guys. Again, if you stayed till this point, just leave me a comment. I would love to just say hello. Let me know which book is your favorite. I think I'm on the countryside, to be honest. Between that and the cat cafe, kitty cafe are my two favorites. Let me know which one's yours. Let me know if you had one of these washi tapes that you really loved. If you have different tips of cutting washi or a pet tape like that, let me know. And I'll see you guys for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.